Welcome to YUNQUE, everyone, the only tropical rainforest in the United States. Yokahú Tower is a 69-foot tall concrete tower with a staircase leading to the observation deck, where on a clear day you can see the ocean and the top of tree canopies. You can also see the town of Yokahú. The tower was built in 1963 by Frank Wadsworth. It sits lower than the park's Mount Britain Tower, which is at a higher elevation. Yokahú Tower was built in 1963. Its name pays homage to the Tiano god of light and fertility. There are 98 steps to the top of the tower with a breathtaking 360-degree views. I'd like to give a shout out to Joe from Tampa, Florida, one of our new subscribers who is on top of the tower right now, as well as Cliff and Kim Hedgepad. 50th anniversary and same birthdays together. Our next flight is over Baño Grande, still in YUNQUE rainforest. It is a beautiful man-made pool filled with the waters from the upper branch of the Lamina River. Baño Grande is 18 feet deep. It is a pool formed by a stone masonry dam over which water cascades down. It is surrounded by a cobblestone path, an arching stone, and a masonry bridge. It was built in the late 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps, known as the CCC. The pool was in continuous use from 1936 to 1968 when it closed to swimmers over safety concerns. So sit back and enjoy these amazing views.